Hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and again, welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And here we have, yet again, another figurized standard from Bandai Spirits. This time it's Kamen Rider Double Cyclone Joker. So here we have him. Let's take a look at the box art. We see here Kamen Rider Double Cyclone Joker doing his iconic pose, asking now. Actually, not asking, saying now, count up your sins. And also, we see here the double driver here with both the Cyclone and the Joker memory inserted. And off to the side, we see here Kamen Rider Double. Yep, the front, the back. Some poses that we can do with him, and he can even do the Joker Extreme, and also they are telling that we can have or we can do all these options wherein they can change each of his sides to from Cyclone to Heat, from Joker to Trigger, from Cyclone to Luna, and of course from Joker to Metal. Alright, some information about the show. Let's double again. And there you have what's the box. Now let's see what's inside the box. So right up the bat, we have one bag with two plates. So one plate is all green. So I thinking actually it really seems that this plate is dedicated to his Cyclone side. And one plate multicolor here we have silvers, clear red and black. Two plates here, all black, and I'm thinking rather this is for all his Joker side. One tiny bag, all purple. This is for Joker. Another tiny bag, all yellow for the Cyclone side. And lastly, yep, foil stickers and the standard stand. And yes, the instruction manual. Yep. So let's take a look closer at each one of the plates. So here we have the A plate here, wherein we have four different colors. We have a clear red, pure red, silver parts or gray parts, and black parts. So this is would that would be for the eyes. This is for the double driver, his scarf. So, this I guess is well for the middle parts, belt, and of course this is when he does his iconic Joker Extreme, wherein he can split in the middle. So this is the A plate. We then have two B plates separated by a B1 plate and a B2 plate. So B1 first, of course this is all on the Joker side, wherein all these parts are black. So we have parts for the body here. I think this is for the shoulder, arms, manipulators. So this is for the B1. We also have a B2, wherein, yes, still on the Joker side, parts for the head, thighs, lower leg, for the upper thigh, the feet, lower torso, the waist, neck. We also have a C plate, which as shown earlier is all green, and this is for the Cyclone side. So we have all parts here for the Cyclone side, parts for the head, the torso, body, the legs, the thighs, the arms, manipulators. So yep, that's the C plate here. Then we have a D1 plate here, actually two D1s, but different color. Of course, The D1 here, purple, is for the Joker, where the D1 yellow is for the Cyclone. So same parts, but different colors. We have a D2 plate, which is more for the Cyclone parts. So this is for the chest, the arms, and the leg. And a D3, again, just for the Joker part on his body. So for the body, arms and legs. Yep. And of course, the standard stand for that they always provide for the figurized standard figures. The sticker sheet. And of course, the manual. Yep. So here, they are really advertising that you can do all of these combinations with the figurized standard. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Kamen Rider Double Cyclone Joker. The 2-but-1 detective and the 2-but-1 Kamen Rider. Now, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, and also leaving a comment and view other videos. Once again, this is Mixerwars saying, see you.